Hello, this is Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts, and I'm back to share with you the 12 by 24 one-sheet wonder that we made it was a solid color paper, and we used it as a base unit. So because it wasn't a decorative paper, we had to cover the solid to make something pretty out of it. So anyway, I made a Christmas. It was going to be a journal. It has turned into more of an ephemera holder because I ran out of space here to put the paper in. The journal was supposed to go right here, and it didn't fit. Sorry about that. It didn't fit, see? Because it was supposed to go right here. Yeah. So, with that said, let's take a look at it. I think I remember telling you that I decided I was going to go through with some gold and put it throughout the pages to kind of start connecting all the Christmas papers, because the papers that I used, although they came in one pack of paper, they got quite eclectic, and it almost started missing the Christmas theme to me. So I used the gold to kind of start combining it, and then I went back and I added a few little minor details to bring back in the Christmas feel to it. So this is what we have. This beautiful gold front and a Santa. I didn't over decorate him. I just added the corners and the gold in the back. And then back here, have yourself a merry little Christmas is on the back. Okay. And I took this and I frayed the ends and just tied a knot so it would stop. Otherwise this ribbon would be frayed all the way up. And we start right here. So over here we made this together. This is the belly, the side tuck that we put in a couple of places, a couple of items that you could journal on. One goes under here, and one goes under the house. Put it under the house. Okay. Under the house it goes. So that's what this one is. And then over here I've put this little joy. I don't know if you can see that switch colors. But I went ahead and made it into a little ornament and glued it down. I just used ribbon up here. And then I had these little half ornaments, and then the ornaments up here on this little journaling card. And on this journaling card, I just put some tears of tape just to kind of make it look like an old wallpaper was on the wall or something. And so now we have this in here. And then we flip this way, and we have this beautiful tree. And this is that ribbon. I don't know if you remember when I shared my goodie box that I purchased from Woodland Inspired. She sent some of this gold ribbon, and so I used that here behind this tree. There's that gold happening again. And inside of here, we have a little, I think it's a Stamperia journaling card. So there's that one. North Pole Express Delivery. And it goes back in here. Not very easily. There we go. And then if we come this way, here's just an added little element. It's just a warm and cozy coffee and or cocoa and coffee there. Or yeah. And then under here we have this belly band with fruit and spice cakes and let's have plum pudding today. And then under here is another little journaling card. I didn't over decorate these. I wanted them to remain as flat as possible so that they could be written right on the cards as much as possible because I was running out of space. This belly band holds these right here. Then we go this way. Here's some more of the gold. You can see that I brought it all the way through and through to here. Here we have this little doorway, and here again we have some more gold, a little ticket right here, and some little tickets in here. We flip here, and these are just extra papers really for the new owner. And under here is a nice big journaling card. And here is a smaller journaling card. I did put pine cones on this one. And I've continued the gold. I didn't put it here. I felt like it was just a little too much. So we continued it over here. And, oops, let's get this locked up. I didn't put charms on this. I didn't want it to be too heavy with items. In here I tucked a little journaling tag. And this is just added decoration. And up here we have another journaling card, a journaling booklet. It just fits right in there. And then we go to here, and we have another journaling card here. And I've just added this gold element behind here to attach this postcard, and I can't remember what digital I got that from. If I think of it, I'll put it down below. And this little, gee, I can't remember where I got this one either. I'm sorry. I'm drawing a blank there. So anyway, added these little elements here. Did the same over here and added this Christmas stocking. And in here I have some little journaling cards from other kits. This one says, "Dear Santa, naughty or nice?" And the nice is checkmarked. North Pole Express Delivery Service. So just some little elements that the person can use. And I put this little tab on up here. And here you can see that we have more of the gold running through. It goes clear through this one. And here we have two more little journaling cards. Santa is coming to town. And Christmas. And then over here we have some beautiful cardinals. And the best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. So just some more little cards that can be used in something else, or they can be backed and written on. So really this was supposed to have that journal right here. It would not fit. I did add these little bells. I thought that was pretty. Even though they're a sticker, they turned out quite pretty, I think. So that's what it looks like. Let's see if I can pull this forward a little bit. Let you see the bells a little bit better. So there we go. This was a very fun one-sheet wonder to do. I enjoyed it. They do take quite a bit of work. A lot more work than you would think. You end up with lots of pockets, lots of folds, lots of flips, and lots of paper gets used. So there we go. So I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me while we worked on this one-sheet wonder together and went through what it would be like to do a 16 by 24. And I had a lot of fun doing it. I love one-sheet wonders. I don't care how big or small the paper is. It's just the idea of being able to fold it into shapes and to figure out what you can end up with it. So I just love it. So anyway, that is what I have for today, and I so appreciate you being here with me. I hope you all have a great week, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.